The price of one share of Table Company declined a total of $65.85 in 5 days. What was the average change of price of one share per day? So we have given that the price of one share of Table Company declined a total of $65.85. Because decline, so we'll use negative sign before 65.85, and because we need to find the average change of the price of one share per day, and this was the price of 5 days, so we need to divide this number by 5 to get the price of one share per day. So we have negative number divided by positive. When we divide negative by positive or positive by negative, the answer is always negative. And we have to do division. We have 65.85 divided by 5. So how many times you can put 5 to 6? 1. 1 times 5 is 5. To do subtraction, 6 minus 5 is 1. We take down next digit, so we have 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. To do subtraction again, 15 minus 15 is 0. We don't have to write. We take up decimal point and take down next digits. 8 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtraction. 8 minus 5 is 3. We take down next digit, so will be 35 divided by 5 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. Subtraction. We finish long division. So we got solution 13.17. We can write that the price of one share declined $13.17 per day. This is my solution.